Hello everybody, my name is Layla Griffiths and this is my talent entry for Miss Genting Stoke. So today I'm going to do a presentation on something I'm really passionate about, and that is cetaceans, the scientific name for whales, dolphins and porpoises. I hope to work with these amazing beings in the future, and I'm going to share with you some of the knowledge I've learned. So, whales, dolphins and porpoises are marine mammals, but the scientific name for them is cetaceans, marine mammals that are carnivorous and finned. There are 83 known species of cetacean, and 24 of these can be found in Scottish waters. Cetaceans used to be amphibians. About 40 million years ago they evolved into the sea, and about 30 million years ago they became what we know today as whales, dolphins and porpoises. And since then their morphology hasn't advanced, so they've very much stayed the same. Blubber maintains their body temperature at 37 degrees. So, cetaceans can now be lowered into two classification groups. The first of these is an odontocete, and there are 73 species of odontocete. They are pack animals, so they hunt in packs and they very much stay together. They are toothed whales, or dolphins, or porpoises. They have only one blowhole, and they use echolocation, something that I will explain later in more detail. All oceanic dolphins are odontocetes, and more examples include sperm whale and the orca whale. So the next group is a Mysticete. So we don't know as much about Mysticetes as we do about odontocetes, for the sole fact that Mysticetes are ginormous creatures, whereas odontocetes are a lot smaller, which sadly means that we've been able to keep them in captivity, but that does mean that we've been able to research them and find out a lot more about odontocetes than we have Mysticetes. So there are 13 species of Mysticete. They are grazing animals, so they're solitary, and they have baleen plates instead of teeth. So baleen is made up of keratin, like our hair and our fingernails. And they form coarse fibres in the mouth that they use to sieve their prey, such as krill and small fish. So they sieve their prey through their mouth instead of biting it. They have two blowholes and they don't use echolocation. So some examples of a Mysticete include a minke whale and a blue whale. So sound is very important to cetaceans. Cetaceans use sound to communicate and locate food and navigate. There are two types of vocalization calls that cetaceans use. The first one is a tonal call, which includes whistles and whale song, and they use those to communicate. And the second one is a series of clicks that they use to locate food and navigate, which leads us on to echolocation. So what is echolocation? It is used by odontocetes only. And this beluga whale is going to show us how it's done. So this beluga is going to send out a series of sound frequencies in the form of clicks. And they are going to go out in a directional beam and hit the object. And when the sound frequency bounces back in the form of an echo, that will allow the beluga to determine how to navigate to the object and where to locate it, all through the echo. So let's have a closer look at another cetacean. We're going to look at the killer whale. So, some facts about the killer whale. The killer whale has no natural predators whatsoever. It is at the top of the food chain. It eats stuff like seals, sharks, fish and smaller cetaceans. It is the most widespread cetacean, so it is found in tropical waters, all the way up to the Arctic Circle and all the way down to Antarctica. Killer whales stay within their pod, they stay within their family, they will leave their pod to mate and then they will come back. And another interesting fact about an orca is that it is actually a dolphin, and we know that due to its teeth. So a killer whale has round teeth and all dolphins have round teeth. The other option is a flat tooth. So a killer whale has round teeth and most whales have flat teeth, and that's how we know it's a dolphin. They are very intelligent, sociable and approachable. There has never been an incident of an orca in the wild that has attacked a human. It has only been in captivity where a human has been attacked. So what funding is out there to assist with these amazing creatures? So the HDWT is a Whale and Dolphin Trust based in Scotland. The WDC is a whale charity that helps fund research. Or the orcaweb.org. All of these fund research to help us learn much more about these amazing creatures. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and I hope you learned at least one new thing.